Hey there, smart buyers! Welcome back to another exciting episode of Buy Smart, where we compare products so you don't have to. Today, we're pitting two heavyweight robot vacuums and mops against each other. On the left, we have the Shark Matrix Plus 2 inches 1 robot vacuum and mop. And on the right, the eufy X10 Pro Omni robot vacuum and mop. It's gonna be a battle of the bots. So grab your popcorn and let's dive in. All right, let's start with the price because we all know that's the first thing we check. The Shark Matrix Plus comes in at $699. Not too bad, right? But wait, the eufy X10 Pro Omni is a bit pricier at $799. Ouch. So if your wallet is already crying, Shark might be the way to go. But hey, maybe eufy is hiding some gold bars inside? Let's find out. Next up, suction power. The Shark boasts incredible suction, but eufy is flexing with a whopping 8,000 pascals suction power. That's like having a mini tornado in your living room. Reviewers note that Shark is effective at picking up dust and debris, but eufy's powerful suction is a game changer for those who need extra cleaning power. Now, let's talk mopping. The Shark has sonic mopping that scrubs 100 by per minute. Impressive, right? But eufy comes swinging with MopMaster 2.0, doing 180 rotations per minute and 1 kilogram of downward pressure. It's like eufy's taking your floors to the gym. Reviewers love Shark's user-friendly mopping, but eufy's advanced mopping tech is hard to beat. How about self-maintenance? Shark empties its dustbin and recharges itself, holding up to 60 days of dirt. Sounds like a dream, but eufy takes it a notch higher with an all-in-one station that washes its mop pads, dries them with heated air, and has a 2.5 L dust bag that needs replacing every 2 months. Eufy is like that overachieving kid in your class who does everyone's homework. Overkill? Maybe. Convenient? Absolutely. According to reviewers, both products are convenient, but eufy's self-maintenance features stand out. Cleaning edges and corners? Shark's got CleanEdge Detect to blast air into corners. Sounds like it's trying to blow dirt into submission. Meanwhile, eufy's got advanced obstacle avoidance, identifying over 100 different objects. It's like eufy went to ninja school while Shark is just learning to blow raspberries. Reviewers note that Shark is good at getting into tight spaces, but eufy's navigation is unparalleled. Pet owners, listen up. Shark says it's perfect for homes with pets, with powerful suction and a self-cleaning brush roll. Eufy, on the other hand, has an auto-detangling roller brush. So if you have a pet that sheds like it's their full-time job, eufy might be your new best friend. Sorry, Shark, but eufy's got the pet hair game on lock. Reviewers with pets highly recommend eufy for its superior pet hair management. Last but not least, navigation. Shark uses 360 degrees LiDAR vision for precision mapping. Sounds fancy, right? But eufy's got iPath laser navigation and customizable AI Map 3.0, which sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie. Eufy even creates no-go zones and virtual boundaries. So if you want a robot that knows your home better than you do, eufy is the way to go. Reviewers appreciate Shark's mapping, but eufy's advanced navigation takes the cake. Overall, reviewers find the Shark Matrix Plus 2 inches 1 robot vacuum and mop to be effective, user-friendly, and affordable. However, it does have occasional glitches and may need regular maintenance. On the other hand, the eufy X10 Pro Omni robot vacuum and mop is praised for its powerful cleaning capabilities, advanced features, and convenience, particularly for pet owners, although it is a bit pricier. So there you have it, folks. The Shark Matrix Plus 2 inches 1 robot vacuum and mop versus the eufy X10 Pro Omni robot vacuum and mop. Shark is the budget-friendly option with solid features, but eufy comes with all the bells and whistles, and a higher price tag to match. Which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more epic product battles. Until next time, stay smart, stay savvy, and happy shopping. Product links are in the description.